Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to a new video. Today I'm reviewing the Roku Express, this guy right here. I recently got this thing for $17. It was on clearance at my local Walmart and $17 is super cheap. So I had to get it. And another reason why I got it is because I've tried almost all streaming devices and I never really got into using a Roku. Like I've used the Fire Sticks, the Android TVs, the Nvidia Shield, the Xiaomi Mi Box, I've tried Apple TV, pretty much everything, and I never really tried Roku. So today I'm going to unbox it and I'm going to set it up and give you my opinion on it. If you think you're interested in getting one, you should check your local Walmart and see if they have it on clearance there. Otherwise, they're about $28 on Amazon. Alright, let's get started with the video. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so here we go. This is the Roku Express. And before we get into the unboxing of it, I want to mention the reason that these are going on clearance. I did some research and it turns out they're releasing a new Roku Express model on October 11th, I believe. And that new one has the price tag of $30, and right now this one's selling for $28. So when that new one comes out, if you guys want me to, maybe I can do a review on that one as well. But for now, we're going to review this one, and let's get into it. At first glance, you could tell the thing is very tiny, and you almost think that it's going to be a stick, similar to the Fire Stick, but it actually comes with an HDMI cable. It's a little bit different than what you would expect, and I believe it even has an adhesive attached to it that you can put under your TV, and I'll show you guys that later. So let's open the box. Okay, so here's an overview of everything you get in the box. Right here we've got the HDMI cable, then we've got the micro USB cable. This is going to be for powering the device. They actually included some stickers in the box as well. You can barely see them because they're white, but this top sticker just says Roku, and another one says I love Roku. And I see right here that comes with a power brick for the micro USB cable to plug into the wall. If you don't want to use this, you can also plug it into your TV's USB port. That should supply enough power. It's nice that they also include two AAA batteries, and this is going to be for the remote control, obviously. And speaking of the remote control, let's take a look at it. So it's a very lightweight remote. You can get an overview of all the buttons here. We've got a home button, a back button, the arrows, an OK button. We've got a rewind, play, pause, fast forward, and here's 4 shortcuts to different apps. So Netflix, Hulu, Vudu, and Sling. Just pop open the back here to put the batteries in, and let's take a look at the device itself. So there's a little plastic thing here telling you this is where you point your remote control. This is the IR receiver. So the remote control doesn't use Bluetooth or anything, it's just infrared, like a normal television remote. So a quick look at the back of this. It's got an HDMI input, and it's a full-size HDMI. It's got the power input, which is the micro USB, and then there's a little reset button here. Something I almost missed was this adhesive strip here. And this is what you're going to use to mount your thing on the bottom of your TV. So I'm going to go plug this in, turn it on, and we're going to try out Roku for the first time. So I plugged in the Roku, and this is what I'm greeted with. This is going to be the first time setup. It seems like straight out of the box it needs some software updates. So once you connect it to your Wi-Fi, it might run an update, like mine is right here. Looks like you need to make a Roku account in order to use your device. So I'm going to go make my Roku account really quick, and we're going to cut to the future right now. And here we go. From the home page, you'll see on the right you have a bunch of apps listed there. That's what's already installed on the Roku right now. When you go to set up your account, it lets you pick a few apps that you want to install right away. So I picked a few, but it also seems like there are some apps that are already pre-built into the Roku that I didn't select. So we've got Netflix here, Vudu, Prime Video. There's something called the Roku channel. There's Hulu, Sling, ESPN, Google Play Movies and TV, Tubi TV, and of course we've got Pluto TV down here as well. I did a video about that a while ago. Pluto TV is pretty good. It's completely free, and they give you a bunch of free channels with it. So I'm going to open up Roku channel and see what that's about. Alright, so it pretty much is like Roku's own version of a Netflix or an on-demand service. And they have a bunch of different shows here. I wonder if they're actually free. We even have live TV here apparently. So let's just test that out.
67, Jacksonville 87, and then more of those.
Okay, so surprisingly it works and it's free. But I'm going to go back to the home page really quick, and we're going to take a look at some of these other sections here. So we have something called featured free, and yeah, it just has a bunch of shows again that are free to watch. We've got America's Got Talent here. That's pretty cool. I know a lot of people like that. Let's go back again and let's go to my feed. Okay, so this is where you can browse different things like movies, TV shows, movies coming soon. Here's a search section for searching different types of content. We've got streaming channels. Click that really quick. This is like an app store of all the different video streaming apps there are out there. The thing with Roku is they pretty much have their own operating system, and it's not run on Android like the Fire Stick is or the Android TVs are. So they don't have the Google Play Store, and they also believe they don't have a way of sideloading apps. And what that means for us is that we can't get apps like Cinema or Terrarium TV or Kodi and things like that. The only way I know of getting those is by screen mirroring an Android phone that has those apps. So yeah, that's pretty much it. As you can see, the Roku is a pretty simplistic streaming device, and for the price of this, it's really going to be good for anybody who doesn't have a streaming device and might want to watch things like Netflix and YouTube. So far it's very easy to use, pretty straightforward. Let me know what you guys think in a comment below. I'll leave a link to the Amazon listing for this exact model in the description. I'll also leave a link to the new model that's coming out October 11th. So yeah, I thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you next time.